Hey, what's going on? YouTube fishing and gardening with Eric Brown. Check out. I got this thing going on. I've been looking on Facebook and I've been seeing people in Zone 7A starting their outside garden already, and I think it's like way too early. I think it should be 6 to 8 weeks or 8 to 10 weeks before frost before you start indoors, because a lot of times you have to like repot, you have to take care of the plants a little too much, and you should just basically do it at the time. So what I'm doing is basically a consultation where I'm going to put out weekly videos of when I'm planting, when I'm seeding, and some things I'm going to sow directly into the ground when it's actually the time to grow it in the ground. So with that being said, let me give you a quick update of the figs that I propagated on the video. And if you didn't watch it, go back and watch it. And if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe so you can be updated in the next videos to come and watch this garden transform. I'm going to be seeding a lot of things that I might not be even throwing in my garden. I might be either selling them or giving them away at a very discounted price. Just like these figs, I don't have 11 spots. I got 11 figs. I don't have 11 places to put figs. So, eventually I'm going to repot them and sell them to anybody that wants them. But let me give you a quick little update. First, let me lift this up. Now I'm going to start growing for the 6th of March. I'm going to put out a video of me seeding it, and the video will probably drop 2-3 days later. I don't know. But first, let me show you a little setup on my little seed buster right here. Now, first I'm going to show you the figs, and I think we have 100%. I think all of them are going to pop. All of them, even that one right here, it got a little twig coming out. The one in the back is a little slow. The one behind there is a little slow, but it's happening. It's happening. Figs, baby, figs for sale, yo. This is my first time propagating figs and getting 90 to 100%. It's kind of cool. And also, my sugar cane is doing well. I hope I can keep it alive and keep it warm. Temperature max at today 80, didn't go lower than 70. That's great for seedlings. And this temperature seedling is at about 85, 86. Oh, you can't even see it. Oh, it won't let you see it. Oh, 86. I don't know why it does that. But this is one of the trays that I'm putting. I got the little light set from Amazon. I have also 2 ground cherries that I'm going to start. What I'm going to do early is I'm going to do ground cherries early, because I actually just love these plants. I love this plant, and I think everybody should, at least if you never gardened before, you should try this year. Just get a potted plant like this, and comment below, talk to me, and I can probably get you one set up. And all you have to do is basically water it. Give you the compost and the pot soil, everything good. Be water and ready. Just make sure you water at least 2 times a day. If you don't, then it's on you. But yeah, let's check this out. I need some comments, from growers and beginning growers. If you have any questions or anything you like to grow, I got this tomato seed garden pack with a whole bunch of different tomatoes, and hopefully I can replicate this picture. That'd be like really cool to replicate this picture. Yeah. Yeah, let me know some more things to grow. I'm gonna give you a little quick tour of the greenhouse. I have to rewire these things. I got wires all over the place. The fish looking pretty good. They're greedy as hell. These are strawberries that I'm trying to grow aquaponically. I don't know if it's gonna bear like really, you know, big strawberries, because I don't know if the fish has enough, nutrition to actually, you know, put it out there. But this is the star of the show right now. It's a ground cherry. It looked like it even like wanting to flower a little bit on the top of here. Wait, where at? The little flowers. Yeah. The pineapple plant is alive. The lemon plant, let's get a closer look. I got a lemon right there. And I got to spray this down after clean this up, it's flowering. Got to do a quick cleaning, especially when I start seating this place up. But just a quick tour, rewire this thing. Temperature outside the grow seed buster is 71, and this one over here is 74. All right. Okay, so let's talk about some things we're gonna grow. Let's see, in February. No, not February. In March. In March, we're gonna start with some tomatoes, peppers. Yeah, definitely peppers. I think I got some peppers that I try to overwinter, but I don't think they're gonna survive. Cucumbers, winter squash. I might not even plant it in my yard, but I'm growing it. Lettuce, I did that already on top of the fish tank. I might just grow some of that. Eggplant, summer squash, field pumpkin, zucchini, definitely watermelons, onions, definitely. We have strawberries already over there. I gotta de-weed that strawberry patch and straighten that out and put some fertilizer in there. Butter squash, broccoli, I might put a broccoli out there. Cabbage, well, we got a cabbage right here. That's a cabbage, yes it is, it's a cabbage. It's growing tall because it's chasing the light. Beets, we're gonna throw some beets, definitely peppers. I don't know if I'm gonna grow celery. Nah, I'm not gonna do cauliflower. Sweet potatoes, definitely gonna do sweet potatoes. You know what I'm saying? Basically, that's what I'm going to put in the seed trays next month. So all the collard greens and cabbage, definitely. So if I name something that you're planning on growing this year, grow it with me. You know, just come in and zoom in and check it out. You know, let's watch the progress. I was even thinking about doing a time-lapse camera in here. I think that'd be really cool, you know, doing a time-lapse camera. But I don't know. So again, just like, comment. I need some interaction on this thing, man. I need some interaction. And we're also gonna do a makeover on my carnivorous bog plant. It's a little wreck. The birds beat it up last year, but I brought it in here. I'm gonna repot this. Put a new pot, make it bigger, put a bigger pot, and hopefully it'll grow bigger next year. Yeah, so let's go. Let's do this year. You know, let's not do it too early, let's not do it too late. Let's do it together on time. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. But if you have anything that you think I should be growing, as far as vegetables, you know, let me know. If it's the other thing, I don't want to be demonetized for getting into that or speaking on that, even though it's legal. But I'm just not the right hue, and I don't have the complexion for the protection. Aha, let's go. All right, so again, like, subscribe, comment, share. Do what you have to do, but do it. And until March 6th, 7th, you'll see me. Let's get growing.